Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Did you know that many English words come from Arabic? Every language has plenty of loanwords, and here we're talking about the English loanwords, which are actually Arabic origin words. And how can't it be impossible? Arabic, indeed, is the most richest language among all the languages spoken in the world. Let's dive into 10 cool examples. First up, alcohol. The word comes from Arabic, alcohol, which originally meant a fine powder used as eyeliner. Over time, it evolved to mean distilled substances. Cheers to that. Next, we have algebra, from al-jabr, meaning reunion of broken parts. It was introduced to Europe by the mathematician al-Khwarizmi. Math just got cooler. Ever heard of an algorithm? This word comes from al-Khwarizm, named after the mathematician al-Khwarizmi. It's all about solving problems step by step. Love your morning coffee? Thank Arabic word, kawa, for that. This word traveled from the Middle East to Europe in the 16th century. Sip and enjoy. Cotton comes from kutun. This word entered English in the 14th century and is now a staple in our wardrobes. Soft and comfy. Feeling zesty? The word lemon comes from alaikum. This word made its way into English in the 14th century. Perfect for a refreshing drink. And now, smell the sweetness of jasmine. This word came from yasmin. The word yasmin entered English in the 16th century. A fragrant addition to any garden. Sweeten up with sugar. The word comes from sukar. It entered English in the 13th century and is now it's a kitchen essential. Feeling stressed? Let's unwind with the word massage. While the English word comes from French, there's a theory that it's linked to Arabic word mas, meaning to touch. However, other theories suggest it could come from Latin. Either way, it's a word that brings relaxation to mind. Are you all ready for an adventure? Before leaving, learn that the word safari comes from Arabic word, safar, meaning journey. This word entered English in the 19th century. Let's explore. Isn't language amazing? These words show how cultures blend and evolve. Like, share, and subscribe for more fun facts. Did you like the information? Comment us your precious feedback. Share this fun fact and follow us for more amazing insights. Thanks for watching.